This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Realty property video is presented by Paula List. Fabulous waterfront home located steps from spectacular Coral Lake's newly renovated clubhouse. Location. This spacious 2,100 square feet home boasts of an open floor plan, 2 bedrooms and a den that can be used as a 3rd bedroom, 2 full bathrooms, closets galore, high ceilings, a screened-in porch overlooking a beautiful lake view and hurricane shutters on all windows. Newly painted, this lovely home is light and bright, very clean and well taken care of. Coral Lakes Clubhouse has been newly renovated with countless amenities, theater, cafe, tennis and pickleball, gym, indoor and outdoor resort pool, and so much more. This is a very active adult 55+ community. For more information, review the details below or contact Paula List at 561-981-9400.